everyone, welcome back to the Bata Shoe Museum YouTube channel. My name is Adrienne, and today we're going to be making shoe art out of recycled materials that you could find around your house. Today's inspiration comes from our exhibit, The Gold Standard. In specific, we decided to recreate this pair of red leather shoes that comes from Egypt and dates back to 330 to 641 CE. This was when Christianity had become the official state religion, and this shoe reflects that shift. The motif of the four heads surrounded by halos most likely depicts the four apostles of Christ, suggesting that these shoes may have been designed for ecclesiastical use. So let's get our materials ready, which will be listed on the screen and in the description box below. And let's get started. There you have it. We just created a Coptic shoe from our collection made out of recycled materials. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.